Hello, today we will guide you through how to get free credits in Lovable. To begin, open Lovable and go to the dashboard or home page. This is the main area where you can access your account features and navigation options. If you are not already signed in, make sure you complete that first so the dashboard loads properly. Once you are on the home screen, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, since the option you need is located within the main navigation area. Next, look toward the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. This sidebar is where Lovable places many of its important account and workspace options. If your screen is smaller, or if the sidebar appears collapsed, you may need to expand it first so you can clearly see the available items. Moving slowly here can help, especially if you are using the platform for the first time and want to avoid missing the correct option. When you have found the left navigation, move down toward the bottom left area of the screen. There, look for the option labeled Share Lovable. This is the section connected to inviting or sharing, and it is the feature used to access the free credit opportunity. Go ahead and click on Share Lovable to open it. After that, a sharing window or panel should appear. In this area, you will see the methods available for sharing. The two key options here are to copy your link or scan the QR code. If you want to share digitally, select the Copy Link option. This will place the referral or share link onto your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you want to use it. If you prefer using a mobile device or another camera-enabled device, you can also scan the QR code directly from the screen. Either of these options can be used to move forward with getting free credits. Be sure to use the method that is most convenient for you. Also, take a second to confirm that the link copied successfully or that the QR code scan completed correctly, so you do not run into issues later. And that's it. Once you've opened the Share Lovable section and used the Copy Link or QR code option, you've completed the process shown here for accessing the free credit sharing feature in Lovable. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process simple and clear.